Yeah, Mr. Silver here. Going to check this little old park. I don't know if how old it is, but it's nearby the motel and the old church over there. We'll see what we can find. It used to be a Logan school here at one time. Found some silver in that ball field, but not too much. And maybe tech this here, but I'm going to try that. Okay, see you later. Silver found a horseshoe about 8 inches deep from an old motel over there. Hotel or whatever, industrial hotel. Alright. See you later. Yeah, Mr. Silver just dug a weed. What year, but about 3 inches down beside a piece of shit. Yeah, Mr. Silver found his band. I don't know what it is. It says call 1-800 something. I'm going to clean it up and see what that is. Maybe it goes on a big pigeon thing. I don't know. Get back with you. Yeah, Mr. Silver found 14 pennies, 1 wheat, 2 nickels, quarter.
I found it in the ground.
And 2 dimes, and this found 2 pennies, nickel, and two quarters. And that band, we're going to call about that now. Here's that band. We're calling about that now. It's a bird band. Well, Missy called us, and the lady gave me the address and email address, and they're going to send me a certificate for finding it. That's pretty cool. So I'll probably have to send it back, but hey, anything to help nature. Now we're going to find out what bird it is, and I'll get back to you. So we called that number, and it's a bird, but that's a pretty big hole.
From Maryland.
It's from Maryland, so it might be a hawk, might be a goose. That's a pretty big leg there. So I'll have to get a certificate after a while. They send me the stuff in the mail. So that's a pretty good find. I have a lot of other bird things I ought to call now. I don't know. I got a couple pigeon ones, I think, and we'll see. Yeah, we don't know what kind of bird it is. We'll find out. Did you give that number to her?
Yes.
That 918 69042 or something.
Yes.
So I cleaned it off. So, yeah, that'd be alright. I'll have to call the other ones now. I know if I have like 2 or 3 pigeon ones. So, alright. Get back to you. Happy hunting, and see you next time.